Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XLT black appearance package, as well as the tow and haul package and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You got that nice tow hitch, backup camera, of course, mud flaps, as well as a nice gripped running board with a side view camera, as well as blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors. We do have a nice hood deflector, front park sensing, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the driver's side, or on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got two cup holders right there, a 12 volt, two USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same black sport cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again. Parking brakes right there. Ooh, lights, tailgate lights, blind spot and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 9.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue your look over here. Leather wrapped center, or leather wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters. It's also collapsible, providing with more space. Nice little pen slot, cup holders. Storage with the USB and USB-C. Drive modes with rear locking differential, four-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer backup, and for your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, off-road, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue your look over here. You do have your heated seats, dual climate, a 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there as well as down there. Storage above the dash, auto stop, auto start, 360 view of your vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. And looking above me, we do have our features for our rear window opener, which is pretty nice. And looking at our main screen here, you have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded. There's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB03789, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.